Hey lovelies, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we are making something simple, crunchy and so addictive. Yeah, you heard right. Homemade peanut cookies. If you love peanuts, this one will finish you in a good way. We are using basic ingredients and roasted peanuts to get that perfect crunch. First, you cream your margarine and sugar until pale and fluffy. Then you add your dry ingredients. That's the flour and baking powder. Then you add milk. The reason for adding milk is to bind the dough together. You add your vanilla and then you fold in the peanuts. Mix everything together to form a perfect dough. You shape them into small balls. You can use a scoop if you have one. You can use a spoon also. But I used my measuring spoon. That's the 1 tablespoon. Yeah, I'm showing you how I rolled the dough. Then use a fork to press the dough. This is to give it a decorative pattern and to flatten the dough. Bake at 170 degrees C for 20 minutes. If you want it more crunchy, leave it a bit more in the oven. These cookies are perfect for gifting, snacking, or serving with a cup of tea this festive season. If you try this recipe, tell me in the comments and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more Vlogmas goodness. See you in the next one. Bye.